Hi, this is Gene Holden, Service Field Supervisor for the Bell Brothers Heating and Air Conditioning. I guess you were looking online to see why your air conditioner wasn't working. Let me give you a couple tips. Why don't you go ahead and take a look first and make sure that you feel and hear the indoor air blowing. If it's not, actually it's probably a power issue. So go ahead and take a look at your breaker outside. It could be a fuse, so I'm not sure if you felt comfortable going to your furnace to check the fuse. If not, you can give us a call and I'll give you a number in a minute. If the outdoor unit isn't working, then go ahead and take a look at it, see if you can actually hear it buzzing from the side of the system. There's a service panel. If you felt comfortable, you can pull it out. There are contactors and capacitors in there that can be changed. And again, if you're not comfortable with replacing things like that, go ahead and give us a call at 916-444-1234. Otherwise, you can reach us on the web at thinkbellbrothers.com.